sky turned bruised and purple, then it faded into gray as the rolling wall of Kansas dust chased the light away. Across the 30 miles of wire and 160 long, the wind is singing low and me in a lonesome dying song. Stagecoach from the eastern line is overdue and gone, with a mother and her daughter and a driver named Sean. They say the Cimarron kid is out, a wolf amidst the haze, waiting for the world to choke in a grit-filled blinded daze. He's a shadow on the border, he's the hammer of the law, with a circle and a lightning-handed draw. The strip is wide and wicked, but the devil better pray, for the Marshal's in the saddle and he's headed out your way. He wraps a duster around his face and pulls his Stetson tight, riding through a noonday sun that's dark as deepest night. He finds a coacher turned and wrecked near a dry and sandy draw. The kid is laughing through the grit, defying God and law. He's got his pistol to the door, he's demanding every beat, driven by a hollow heart and a never-ending greed. But the Marshal's horse is silent, stepping soft upon the silt, coming for the hidden dead and the weight of all that guilt. He's a shadow on the border, he's the hammer of the law, with a heavy silver circle and a lightning-handed draw. The strip is wide and wicked, but the devil better pray, for the Marshal's in the saddle and he's headed out your way. A spur jingle, he turned and fired blind, but you cannot kill a memory or the image you left behind. The Marshal's iron spoke but once through the howling dusty gale, ending all the terror on that lonely drifted trail. He rides a coach and mends a wheel with a steady calloused hand, providing hope to strangers in the cold of no man's land. He guides them through the blackness till the beaver lights appear, chasing back the shadows and the salt stains of their fear. The storm begins to settle as he reaches Beaver Town, the red dust on his shoulders like a heavy velvet gown. He sees the stagecoach traveler safe inside the station door, then leads his weary stallion past Shiloh's supply store. The Marshal doesn't want a parade or a mention in the news. He's just a man with iron blood and dust upon his shoes. He walks into the office where the lamp is burning low, with the quiet of a winter's frost and 100 miles to go. Shiloh watches from the window as he nears the hitching post, the man she loves in secret like a holy quiet ghost. She hears the people wondering why he'd brave the choking sand to save a group of strangers in a dark and lawless land. She smiles a little secret with a look that's soft and deep, as the weary town of Beaver City settles down to sleep. I know you're wondering what kind of man who wears the star would ride into the jaws of death and travel quite that far. It's a simple answer, really, because he's the Marshal.